Hi, I'm John Wickline, JW Home Inspections, and I'm glad you could join me for another informational safety video. What we're looking at today is underneath the kitchen sink, a common item, a garbage disposal. Now, very often I find that a garbage disposal has no electrical cable restraint clamp at the bottom. Now, this usually just reflects somebody in a hurry and not taking the time to do things properly. It's reflective of amateur work, no matter who did it, and not a very safe condition. The units can vibrate, and through vibrating, the hole they go in through at the bottom of the unit can chafe that wire and eventually wear a hole in the insulation and cause some shorting out, possibly electrocution. However, today's situation goes a little bit further. They just elected not to put the bottom cover plate on the bottom of the unit at all. So that presents a step further into a safety condition that shouldn't exist. This is the condition we're looking at now, the bottom of the disposal unit in this particular kitchen sink, and it's, as often the case, crowded with some piping and plumbing and drain work. Now imagine a plumber working on the piping and just happening to brush his hand over here underneath this disposal unit. Not a very safe condition. Now, this is the way that a garbage disposal should be wired in. Notice that the electrical cable here comes in and has a clamp on it. The clamp's not too tight. Sometimes the clamp can be too tight and damage the cable and cause problems. This installation looks good. The plate here is in good shape, and it's there. That's a good sign. Also, this is the electrical access little panel here that you would unscrew to access the wiring once you run this electrical wire up inside here. Now, also while we're down here, this is a reset button right here. It's a little red square button, and if the disposal should quit working, you might want to try pushing this to reset it. Sometimes that works. Again, I'm John Wickline with JW Home Inspections, and I do appreciate you joining me today for this informational safety video from JW Home Inspections.